Okay guys, Taylor's up. Glock 19 9mm, 10 rounds. Taylor, go ahead and load up. Okay, finger off the trigger, gun in safe position. Let me zoom in on the target. Bottom right. All right, you ready? Go. 2, 5. Don't know where it went. Don't know where it went. 5, 2. Don't know where it went. Don't breathe, concentrate. 1. Add them up.
I got 15.
What was our first score? What was our first score?
25.
I have a total of 40.
40? 25 and 15? Okay. 25 and 15, folks. As you can see, gun is empty. Drop the mags in her hand, and we got a total of 40 points for Taylor. Okay guys, Madison had a couple practice shots. First time to ever shoot the 9mm by herself. She can handle it. She knows finger control. She knows keep her finger off the trigger until she's ready to fire in safe direction. Madison, 10 shots. Taylor's got 40 points. All you got to get is a 3 or better.
Hush.
Okay? Load it up.
Do it.
Load it up. Load it up. Okay? Pull on the mag, make sure it's loaded good. Pull on the mag, make sure it's in there. You good? Safe direction. Let me zoom in on your target. Madison has 38 points. All she has to get is a 3 to beat Taylor, who has 40. Go. 10 shots. 3.
No!
3. 2. 2. 3. Don't know where it went. Don't know where it went.
It's so not fair.
Don't know where it went. Breathe and focus. Out of the target. 2. Is that it? Okay. No ammo? Did you touch inside? Make sure there's no ammo? Okay. Good? Alright, come on.
Can I look?
It's so not fair.
Madison is the winner.
Can I look?
Go add them up. Tell me what you got.
Hey, I came second place. I get $2.
I'll give you $2.
Yay!
she missed the first shot, second shot was a 3. That's all she needed. She could have missed all of them and hit the last one a 3 and she'd have won.
I ain't got a steady hand.
Because one of them's on the 2 and 3 line.
If it's on the line, it goes to the higher number.
48.
All right, beat her big sister by 8 points.
Oh my gosh! Alright, now it's time for some
8-point win. All right,
Now it's time for some fun.
now it's fun time. We're gonna go ahead and do a
It's raining.
few shots with 308. Now it's just
$5 foot long from
we got
Subway.
one rogue cloud up here that's trying to put some rain on us, but we ain't worried about it. All right, we got Taylor wants to shoot the 308. No sights, no open sights, no scope, but she's going to use the scope mounting holes as her line of sight, and we're going to be shooting at a double stack set of pop cans. Taylor, 5 shots, ready? Go for it. Reload. Just wait till I get the scope on there. The scope's coming, folks. I'm gonna go with the Timney trigger pack, Vortex Viper PST, 6.5 20 by 50. All right, I want you to put that barrel end right on that bottom can. And you may be able to, you're gonna hit one of them.
Last one.
Okay, I got some more. Oh, close.
No.
Okay, folks, number game. Another $5 with the 9mm. 2 numbers, 5 shots at each number. If she hits the number within the first couple shots, she goes to the next number. If she hits that in the first couple shots, she's still got ammo left. We'll keep going until she runs out of ammo or runs out of numbers. Whoever hits the most numbers with 10 shots wins $5. Taylor, are you ready? 14. Up a little bit. 6. Down a little bit. A little to your right. Empty? Are you empty? Madison's up. Same game. 9mm at the numbers. 10 shots. How many numbers she can hit. You ready, Maddie?
Huh?
You ready?
Yeah.
Lock and load. 24. You got 2 more. Got it. Ready? Number 10. Breathe. Okay. All right, Madison won that round. Okay, guys, Coke can, 10 shots, 9mm Glock. Who can knock over their cans, blow them up, whatever, within the least amount of shots. When you're done firing and all of them are blown up, then I want you to aim at the board and shoot the rest of them so I can count how many shots you had left, okay? Least amount of shots, $5. Okay? You ready? All right. Yours are on the right. Whenever you're ready. Lock and load. Got 2. Almost. Got 3. Now fire the rest of them at the board. 2 shots. Okay, here's Madison's turn. Taylor had 2 shots left after hitting 3 cans. Madison's got 3 cans, 10 shots, Glock 19, 7 yards. When you're done shooting the cans, make sure they're all shot, and then shoot the rest of them at the board so I know how many shots you have left, okay? All right, whenever you're ready. That's 1. That's 2. You done? All right, Taylor won that round. Okay, folks, last round for $5. Taylor's got 5, Madison has 10. We got they're at 33 feet, which is 11 yards. They each have 1 can left. They're gonna shoot till they hit it, and then they're gonna fire the rest of the rounds off at the board. Let's do it. Fun games. We like playing fun stuff. Go check it, make sure it's empty. Empty? Nope, just knocked it over with the dirt. All right, come on back. All right, ready? Aim, finish it off. $21 shots left. Woo! Okay, Madison's turn. 33 shots. She's at 33 feet, which is 11 yards. Taylor had 21 shots left, or the most amount of shots left is the winner. $5. Right now, Taylor's at $5. Madison's at 10. Oh!
No fair.
Wait, you ready? Unload.
She's at 15.
Got it. We declare Madison the winner of that one. Second shot.
Let's let her be the winner of everything.
Well, we may just have to give Taylor a taser and just cause she's
Madison,
good.
you
She's
stay
good with
out there and let me tase you.
she's good with the taser. But Deadeye Madison, she earned her name today. Deadeye
crazy.
Madison. Thank you guys for watching. We had a good day. Got to shoot a lot of cans. I'll show you the aftermath. Here is the aftermath. Hey guys, Texas Jedi. No range day is complete without letting Dad shoot a few rounds. 17 rounds in the Glock 19. Got those 3 Dr. Pepper cans, and we'll see what we got because I haven't shot in a while. I've been too busy filming and doing knife reviews. But here we go. Taylor, you zoom in on the can.
I'm zoomed in on the cans. Alright, Texas Jedi here. Oh, snap.
Taylor said, oh snap.
Cans ain't got nothing on me. I still got it.
Force may it be with you.
Force is with you. Glock 19, 9mm. Get you some.